WGAN Forum Podcast number 176. Tuesday, March 14, 2023.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANforum.com.
Matterport expands platform integrations with Autodesk Construction Cloud to transform complex and costly site review processes for construction sector. Matterport digital twins provide precise, photorealistic 3D views of job sites to reduce errors and speed the RFI process in Autodesk Construction Cloud. SUNNYVALE, California, Tuesday, March 14, 2023, Globe NEWSWIRE, Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, today announced a new integration with Autodesk Construction Cloud, a portfolio of software and services that combines advanced technology, a builder's network, and predictive insights for construction teams, making it easier for project teams using Matterport and Autodesk Build to collaborate within critical project management workflows. This new integration allows project stakeholders to enhance the request for information (RFI) process in Autodesk Build, moving from traditional methods of communication to immersive digital twin technology, powered by Matterport. Construction projects involve hundreds of stakeholders, many of whom rely on documents and images to coordinate the construction lifecycle from design to operations. While project management tools can ease the burden of organizing various materials, the current process of relying on complex 2D and 3D files often results in project inaccuracies or misunderstandings between stakeholders, leading to rework or costly delays. To address information gaps on a project, construction professionals submit an RFI. The typical RFI process involves queries by construction and design teams. Teams label issues directly onto the documents or images, with each project stakeholder responsible for updating the documentation with new information to clarify incomplete data or references. This process can be tedious and time-consuming, as documentation typically spans multiple formats that constantly evolve as stakeholders weigh in, making it difficult for teams to track the latest information. According to a Navigant Construction Forum survey, the average construction project will result in more than 800 RFIs, averaging more than 50 RFIs submitted per week. Each request consumes an average of 8 hours of administrative labor to receive, log, review, and respond to the RFI. Footnote 1. Inaccurate or incomplete documentation is responsible for an estimated 48% of the rework that occurs in the construction industry in the United States, according to the research paper, Construction Disconnected, conducted by Thomas et al., 2018, footnote 2. Matterport's new integration with Autodesk Build improves and streamlines this documentation process by creating a visual system of record for site conditions, allowing users to create and track requests directly within the digital replica of the space. Matterport users can now place an Autodesk Build RFI pin at the exact place of concern within the photorealistic digital twin, allowing any stakeholder on the project to view the issue in the same spatial context it exists in the physical world, expediting issue resolutions to improve understanding and reduce delays. Professionals in architecture, engineering, and construction want the ability to manage their entire project portfolio from anywhere they are, without having to sacrifice quality or time to build, said Jay Remley, Chief Revenue Officer, Matterport. This integration builds on the digital transformation Autodesk has been leading in the construction industry for decades, leveraging Matterport's digital twins to create a visual source of truth relative to the work to be done on-site in Autodesk Construction Cloud. Now, all project stakeholders can experience a more efficient RFI process from anywhere with the same precision as if they were in person, streamlining communication to maximize project visibility and cut out unnecessary delays. Delays or disruptions in the RFI process can have significant ripple effects on construction schedules and budgets, said James Cook, Director of Integration Partnerships, Autodesk Construction Solutions. Linking Autodesk Build's collaborative RFI workflows with Matterport's 3D scans can help stakeholders improve the velocity and quality of their RFI answers. With this integration, project stakeholders are provided additional flexibility and transparency in the RFI process with a visual representation using digital twin technology. This marks an important evolution of the partnership between Matterport and Autodesk to make collaboration solutions more efficient for architects, engineers, and construction professionals. It builds on previous add-ons and integrations such as Matterport plugin for Revit, which enables customers to import Matterport add-ons directly into Autodesk Revit and Matterport BIM files, allowing Autodesk users to transform Matterport spaces into BIM.RVT and CAD.DWG files. Matterport is available today in the Autodesk App Store for all supported regions, with future updates planned to include even deeper support and functionality for Autodesk Construction Cloud within Matterport's digital twins. To learn more, visit the Matterport blog. About Matterport. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, is leading the digital transformation of the built world. Our groundbreaking spatial data platform turns buildings into data to make nearly every space more valuable and accessible. Millions of buildings in more than 177 countries have been transformed into immersive Matterport digital twins to improve every part of the building lifecycle from planning, construction, and operations to documentation, appraisal, and marketing. Learn more at Matterport.com and browse a gallery of digital twins. Copyright 2023 Matterport, Incorporated. All rights reserved. Matterport is a registered trademark and the Matterport logo is a trademark of Matterport, Incorporated. All other marks are the property of their respective owners. Footnotes. Footnote 1. Impact and control of RFIs on construction projects. Footnote 2. Construction disconnected. Mill Valley, California, PlanGrid and FMI, 41.